Welcome to the Lucky Gnome wall hanging. I've cut out all my pieces and I have some permanent glue tape, glue stick, a zig pen, some pop dots, some handy pinchy tweezers, and a pair of non-stick scissors. I also have my battery operated glue gun warming up. I'm not sure if I'm going to use that, but I wanted to have that option and always say that whatever you've got on hand is good to use. So this is my base, and it's funny the way my cutter works. It always has a little extra edge. So I'm just going to cut that off. I think that's where the actual cutter starts. So the first thing that goes down is my base. I'm going to put my gray down, and then this is the topper part. And the reason I did it this way is so that you can see exactly where the banner goes and then his body, because this is the original color of his outfit, and then his hat and beard will go over that. So I'm just going to use a little glue stick for this. And really I want to get and make sure that my points are situated down so that when I hang it, it doesn't sag weird. So this is going to go right on the bottom. And this piece will go on the top. And I don't recommend, obviously, always gluing on top of your artwork. Just in case you move beyond it, you don't want to get glue in the wrong spot. And it just fits at the very top, right in there. I'm going to put this in position, and these tabs will fold behind it. And I think I'm going to put the hat on first so that the Lucky comes over it. So the hat, the beard, I think the beard will go on first, and then his little shoes go here, right up into the shape. Let's put the beard on with the pop dots. And then I think I'll put the, let's see, if I raise this a little bit, and I raise the hat, oh, and then the flag will kind of sit over it. Okay. Plan. Now I love to use not just the pop dots, but all of the extra stuff in between, which is why I have a non-stick scissor. It conveniently doesn't stick. Then I am going to use some of the dots. Oh, that's not very sticky on the other side. That's weird. Some of my sticky is not sticky. Let's see if these, maybe they went bad. Well, this one is, no, not really, maybe not really sticky. All right, plan B, I have to get a different, oops. I gotta get a different sheet. Hold on a second. Did I know that pop dots might go bad? I'm not sure. Let's try these. Perfect. Okay, so I can use this part. Really no one's gonna see behind it, so I'm okay using the extra pieces as well as the original intended dots. No mistakes in art and no wasting anything. Nice. Let's put the hat on. So now I have to pop this, otherwise it'll look weird. I'm gonna do that. Let's put it here. I'm gonna just put it on the outside edges of the hat, giving it that little lift that I'm looking for. Lovely. I'm going to use the tape for the rim. And when you put the rim on, the top edge goes up because the buckle is going to go around it. And for the buckle, I'm going to use the tweezers to hold it, and my zig pen. I think I'm going to put his shoes on with my hot glue. Really, I say whatever glue you have handy that actually works. Now his hands, I cut it on the textured paper, so I'm going to use texture for his nose and his hands. Now I cut 2 shamrocks because I'm going to put one flat and I'm going to raise one. It'll give it some nice dimension. Little hot glue on the hands, mittens, whatever. And then I'm going to glue this one down. I actually put it in his hand. Oh, the glue is definitely hot. And then I'm going to make sure this is in the right position. I'm going to pop dot the back of this one. Oh, again, not so sticky. That's definitely weird. I'm not sure how old that is, that it wouldn't be sticky. Who knows? I don't need all of this across, so I'm just going to do it this way. And put it in. Oh, look how cute. All right, let's drop in the white banner back. I didn't add any score lines because I really wanted you to be able to fold it over. And I think I'm just going to put a little hot glue on the top, and I'm not going to attach the flag part because I really want the flag part to stick out. Right? I just bent that. Look how fun. That's the cat who's desiring my attention. I'm gonna let that dry for a second. Oh, and I forgot to put his nose on. Let's put his nose on. I'm just going to finger press this around. And I'm going to use the tape to just attach it down. So I can put this onto a wooden frame. I'm going to add some ribbon, making this adorable lucky gnome wall hanging. And then you can put this at your door entrance. Like and subscribe, which will help grow my channel, and I'll appreciate that. As well as you'll never miss a tutorial that comes in if you're following me as a DIY crafter. Thanks so much.